Maud of Wales GCVOGCSDJVACI was Queen of Norway as spouse of King Haakon VII. She was the youngest daughter of the British King Edward VII and Alexandra of Denmark. Maud of Wales was the first Queen of Norway since 1380 who was not also Queen of Denmark or Sweden. Early life. Maud was born on 26 November 1869 at Marlborough House, London. She was the third daughter and fifth child of Albert Edward, Prince of Wales, the eldest son of Queen Victoria, and Princess Alexandra of Denmark. She was christened Maud Charlotte Mary Victoria at Marlborough House by John Jackson, Bishop of London, on 24 December 1869. Her godparents were her paternal uncle Prince Leopold, for whom the Duke of Cambridge stood proxy, Prince Frederick William of Hesse-Kassel, for whom Prince Francis of Teck stood proxy, Count Glycon, the Duchess of Nassau, for whom Princess Francis of Teck stood proxy, Charles XV of Sweden, for whom Baron Hochschild, the Swedish minister, stood proxy, Princess Marie of Leiningen, for whom Princess Claudine of Teck stood proxy, her maternal aunt the Tsarevna of Russia, for whom Baroness de Brunner stood proxy, Crown Princess Louise of Denmark, for whom Madame de Bülow, the Danish minister's wife, stood proxy, and her great-grand-aunt the Duchess of Inverness. Maud had a relatively happy childhood compared to her siblings, who found their upbringing oppressive and stifled. Her father's favorite child, she was high-spirited and enjoyed riding and sports. The tomboyish Maud was known as Harry to the royal family, after Edward VII's friend Admiral Henry Keppel, whose conduct in the Crimean War was considered particularly courageous at the time. Maud took part in almost all the annual visits to the Princess of Wales's family in Denmark and later accompanied her mother and sisters on cruises to Norway and the Mediterranean. She was a bridesmaid at the 1885 wedding of her paternal aunt Beatrice to Prince Henry of Battenborn, and at the wedding of her brother King George V to Mary of Teck in 1893. Maud, along with her sisters Victoria and Louise, received the Imperial Order of the Crown of India from Queen Victoria on 6 August 1887. Like her sisters, she also held the Royal Order of Victoria and Albert and was a Dame Head Cross of the Order of the Hospital of St. John of Jerusalem, Princess of Denmark. Maud married relatively late, waiting until her late 20s to find a husband. She had initially wanted to marry Prince Francis of Teck, elder brother of her sister-in-law Mary. Despite being relatively impoverished from mounting gambling debts and being in a position to possibly benefit from Maud's status, he ignored her advances. On the 22nd of July 1896, Princess Maud married her first cousin, Prince Carl of Denmark, in the private chapel at Buckingham Palace. Prince Carl was the second son of Queen Alexandra's elder brother, Crown Prince Frederick of Denmark, and Princess Louise of Sweden. The bride's father gave her Appleton House on the Sandringham estate as a country residence for her frequent visits to England. It was that the couple's only child, Prince Alexander, was born on the 2nd of July 1903. Prince Carl was an officer in the Danish Navy and he and his family lived mainly in Denmark until 1905. In June 1905 the Norwegian Parliament, the Storting, dissolved Norway's 91-year-old union with Sweden and voted to offer the throne to Prince Carl. Maud's membership of the British royal house had some part in why Carl was chosen. Following a plebiscite in November, Prince Carl accepted the Norwegian throne, taking the name of Haakon VII. while his young son took the name of Olav. King Haakon VII and Queen Maud were crowned at Nidaros Cathedral in Trondheim on the 22nd of June 1906, that being the last coronation in Scandinavia. Queen of Norway, Queen Maud never lost her love of Britain, but she quickly adapted to her new country and duties as a queen consort. Maud played a strong and dominant role within the court and family, but a discreet role in public. During her first years in Norway, she and her spouse were photographed in Norwegian folk costumes, and enjoying winter sports such as skiing, to give them a Norwegian appearance in the eyes of the public. She disliked representation but performed her role as a queen with great care, and used clothes and jewelry to make a regal impression. She supported charitable causes, particularly those associated with children and animals, and gave encouragement to musicians and artists. Among her projects was Dronningens Hjelpekomité during World War I. She supported the feminist Katti Ankermølle's Home for Unwed Mothers, which was regarded as radical. Designed furniture for the benefit of the Barnets Utstilling in 1921, and sold photographs for charitable purposes. Maud continued to regard Great Britain as her true home even after her arrival in Norway, and visited Great Britain every year. She mostly stayed at her Appleton house, Sandringham, during her visits. She did, however, also appreciate some aspects of Norway, such as the winter sports, and she supported bringing up her son as a Norwegian. She learned to ski and arranged for an English garden at Kongssteren, the royal lodge overlooking the nation's capital Oslo. She is described as reserved as a public person but energetic and with a taste for practical jokes as a private person. Her influence over her spouse and politics is not much examined, but she is described as a forceful and dominant person within the royal court, though her public role was less visible. Queen Maud's last public appearance in Britain was at the coronation of her nephew, George VI, in May 1937 at Westminster Abbey. She sat in the royal pew at Westminster Abbey next to her sister-in-law Queen Mary and her niece Mary, Princess Royal, as part of the official royal party. Maud also acquired a reputation for dressing with fashionable chic. An exhibition of numerous items from her elegant wardrobe was held at the Victoria and Albert Museum in 2005, and published in the catalogue Style and Splendor, Queen Maud of Norway's Wardrobe 1896 to 1938. Maud's death. Maud came to England for a visit in October 1938. Initially she stayed at Sandringham, but then moved into a hotel in London's West End. She became ill and was taken to a nursing home, where an abdominal operation was performed on the 16th of November 1938. King Haakon immediately travelled from Norway to her bedside. Although she survived the surgery, Maud died unexpectedly of heart failure at Appleton House on the 20th of November 1938, 6 days before her 69th birthday. Norwegian newspapers were allowed to break the law forbidding publication on Sundays in order to notify the Norwegian public of her death. Her body was returned to Norway on board HMS Royal Oak, the flagship of the 2nd Battle Squadron of the Royal Navy's Home Fleet. Her body was moved to a small church in Oslo before the burial. Queen Maud was buried in the Royal Mausoleum at Akershus Castle in Oslo. At her death, Queen Maud was the last surviving child of King Edward VII and Queen Alexandra. Titles, styles, honors and arms. Titles and styles: the 26th of November 1869 to 22 July 1896. Her Royal Highness Princess Maud of Wales. The 22nd of July 1896 to 18 November 1905. Her Royal Highness Princess Carl of Denmark. the 18th of November 1905 to 20 November 1938, Her Majesty the Queen of Norway honors Norway Grand Cross of the Royal Norwegian Order of St. Olav, Norway Royal Family Order of King Haakon VII of Norway, Norway Coronation Medal of 1906, United Kingdom Companion of the Imperial Order of the Crown of India, United Kingdom First Class of the Royal Order of Victoria and Albert, United Kingdom Dame Head Cross of the Order of the Hospital of St. John of Jerusalem, United Kingdom Dame Head Cross of the Royal Victorian Order, United Kingdom Royal Family Order of King Edward VII, United Kingdom Royal Family Order of King George V, Arms. Upon her marriage, Maud was granted the use of a personal coat of arms, being those of the kingdom, with an inner scutcheon of the Shield of Saxony, differenced with a label argent of 5 points, the outer pair and centre bearing hearts gules, the inner pair crosses gules. The inner scutcheon was dropped by royal warrant in 1917. Ancestors. Legacy. Maud's great-granddaughter, Princess Martha Louise, named her eldest daughter after the Queen. Queen Maud Land and Queen Maud Mountains in Antarctica, Queen Maud Secondary School in Hong Kong, and Queen Maud Gulf in Nunavut, Canada, are named after Maud of Wales. The ship Maud, designed to the specifications of Roald Amundsen for service in the Arctic Ocean and launched in 1916 to traverse and explore the Northeast Passage, was christened in honor of Maud of Wales. The Queen Maud from Wedge is named after her.